When people think of the Midwest, they usually think of endless cornfields. But tucked right along the Mississippi River is one of America's coolest, greenest, and most underrated modern cities, Minneapolis. Whether you're an art lover, an outdoor addict, or just looking for an incredible food scene, the City of Lakes delivers. Today, we're counting down the absolute best places you need to visit in Minneapolis. Let's dive in. First up, an icon. You literally cannot leave Minneapolis without taking a photo in front of the giant Spoonbridge and Cherry. Located right in the heart of the city, the Minneapolis Sculpture Garden covers 11 acres and features over 40 stunning outdoor art pieces. The best part? It's completely free to walk through. Right next door is the Walker Art Center, one of the top contemporary art museums in the entire country. Even if you aren't a hardcore art nerd, the architecture alone is worth the trip. Next, let's step back in time along the historic riverfront. Did you know Minneapolis was once the flour milling capital of the world? The Mill City Museum is literally built inside the ruins of an old flour mill that exploded in 1878. Take the Flour Tower glass elevator ride for a quick history lesson and an amazing panoramic view of the river. Right outside, stretch your legs on the Stone Arch Bridge. Crossing this historic stone bridge gives you hands down the absolute best skyline view of downtown Minneapolis. Right outside, stretch your legs on the Stone Arch Bridge. Crossing this historic stone bridge gives you hands down the absolute best skyline view of downtown Minneapolis. Need a break from the city vibe without actually leaving the city limit? Head straight to Minnehaha Park. Tucked right inside the city is a stunning 53-foot waterfall surrounded by limestone bluffs and oak trees. You can hike down the gorge, rent a quadcycle bike, or grab seafood tacos right in the park at Sea Salt Eatery during the warmer months. They don't call Minnesota the land of 10,000 lakes for nothing, and Minneapolis has its own personal favorite playground, the Chain of Lakes. The two heavyweights here are BDE Maka Ska and Lake Harriet. You can rent paddleboards, kayaks, or double kayaks to get out on the water, or walk the seamless multi-use paved trails surrounding the shores. In the summer, make sure to grab an ice cream cone and catch live music at the Lake Harriet Bandshell. If you want world-class culture on a budget, Minneapolis Institute of Art is a non-negotiable. Just 15 minutes south of downtown in Bloomington sits the Mall of America, the largest shopping and entertainment complex in North America. That wraps up our top picks for Minneapolis. Have you ever visited the Twin Cities? Or did we miss your favorite local hidden spot? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give that like button a quick tap, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next travel adventure. Until next time, keep exploring.